Okay, this is the new format for question paper. So in this first question is for 20 questions and this is MCQ. All questions compulsory. In second question and third question, second and third question may be either there are 4 out of 6 5 marks or 2 out of 3 10 marks or combination of these. So this paper will come from cluster. So according to that, we have to make question paper. So first I will show the question paper. So we have made this question paper. So first, this is demo exam form. This is the header. This is our college header. Name of student, correct exam seat, and his contact number. And here, please put one instruction for the student that please check you have entered correct information, and then click on next button. Then he has to enter. So I will fill the form. For example, SK exam seat number is N747. Contact number 9029975757. Then next. So there are 20 questions. So choose the correct option for following question. All questions are compulsory and carry equal marks. So 20 by 2. So there are 20 questions. These all questions are objective and all are compulsory, each having 2 marks. So I will just mark any question, any object. And then you have to click next. Now, this is the new point from this exam. For question number 2 and question number 3, student has to read the question carefully. They have to write their answers on A4 paper and they have to convert that question number 2 and 3 in single PDF file. And the format for PDF file is exam sheet number and name. So this is the instruction I had put here. I have not put any question here. This is the instruction for student that they have to write the answer of question number 2 and question number 3 on A4 paper. They have to scan the answer and save the file with exam sheet number underscore name of the student. Then you have to go to next. Now this is the question number 2. Here you have to write down only questions. Here you have to write down only questions, nothing else. So write the answer of descriptive questions on paper. Try to use black ink pen so that scanning will be proper. And this will be question 2A. What will be there? 2B, 2C. So this is only question. Student will not write any answer on computer here. He has to write his answers on paper. And there is no compulsion because he has to solve 2 questions out of 3. So this is 2. Question may be 4 questions. If it is for 5 marks, 4 questions out of 6. Then he will go for next question, question number 3. So question number 3 is again
Yes.
like question 3A, 3B, 3C. So student will read the questions and he will write the answers on A4 paper. After that, this is the important point. After that, question number 2 and 3, read question carefully, write answer on single file and upload that file. So student has to upload the file. So from here, he can browse the file from his drive. So he can take his file and he will upload it. For example, I will take one image only and upload it. So this file, it should be in PDF. This file is here and then he will click on next. Now, again, we are given instruction, please check Google Form data. That is, your answers are filled properly. Once you submit, you cannot edit. So I will not submit this now. So this is the Google form. So you can check it. You can go back and you can check. You can make changes according to your requirement unless and until you submit it. Once you submit, you cannot edit. Once you submit, you cannot edit. So all instructions are given there. So this is the question paper format. Now, I will explain how to make that format. So first, go to your drive, make one folder of your subject. So new folder. And for example, subject name is maths, M-A-T-H-S. And create maths, E-S-E, C-B, G-S. According to your requirement, you can make folder. So one folder will be created. Open that folder. Right click and select Google Form. So Google Form will be open. Please remember, don't open Google Form directly. If you do like this, then that Google Form will open in your drive front page. So we have to open this in folder. And here you have to write down your subject name like this. Etc. And you can write the form name here. Now in this setting, your first setting is collect email addresses. Don't give any response. Don't give any response. Restrict to user in Shakek. Limit one response. Now, most important point is not given here. It will come afterwards. So I will explain that point. इसके नीचे और एक point आता है, वो थोड़ी देर में आएगा. So first, collect email addresses, then restrict the user in Shakek and limit one response. In presentation, you can write thanks for attending exam.
In quiz,
make this as a quiz. Later, after manual review, and you can select only point values so that the student will understand what is the mark for each question. So make this quiz, letter, and point value. These all are same which we are using previously. Save. So here you can add header. Same header which we are using. Then you can make sections, header sections. Okay. So second section is question 1. It is objective. So question 1 is choose correct answer. This is a MCQ. There are 20 questions. I will not write the questions because you are familiar with that. So next section is descriptive question. So I had made the paper for option 2. Option 2 is solve any 2 out of 3. So here you have to write down only questions. This part is new from this exam. I want to write only questions. I don't want to give options. So for that, this option you have to select. Add title, add description. So I will click on this. Here I can write my question 2A. You can write your questions. So what will be your question? So this is 2A. Similarly, second question. Question 2B. Similarly, question 2C. So only 3 questions are there. This question is not there. So only 2A, 2B, 2C. Sorry, I had selected this. I want to select this. Question 3. Question 2C. Here you can write the instructions, answer the questions on A4 paper. So whatever instruction you want to give, you can give here. Okay, so this is my question number 2. Now again, question number 3. So question number 3 is same. Question 3. Solve any 2 questions out of the 3. And here you have to write down only questions without answer. So question 3A. I am writing general question. Then question 3B. Then question 3C. So these are questions. Now, in next section, you can write submit answer of question 3, question 2 and question 3. You can write instructions for students here. Use A4 paper. Save PDF file with extension. Exam sheet number underscore name dot PDF. And here you have to make one question. And the answer of question is submit question 2 and question 3 answer. Now, main part comes here, which is new in this exam. So we have to submit the PDF file from student. And for that, here you have to select file upload. So when you click on file upload, again click on continue. Then allow only specific file. You can select allow only specific, so only PDF file you can select. If you disable this, you can say upload any JPG or any file. So this option is allow PDF file, or you can disable this also. Maximum number of files. We want only one file per student. We want only one file per student. So only one file. Maximum size, maximum file size. Now, student, if they are using HD camera, when they convert into PDF, the size may be more. So at that time, there should be problem for uploading. So we have to take care of this 100 MB. So the file will not be more than 100 MB. Because your answers may be more than, if you take one page for one answer, so there are only 4 questions of 4 pages, which comes up to 10 to 15 MB. But we'll give maximum size 100 MB. Now, this form can accept up to 1 GB of file. If there are more students, and if you are taking 10 MB, so 1 GB means only 10 students can submit the paper. So we have to change this. So change. Now, we come here in setting. Automatically there is one option, maximum size of all files uploaded. So here you have to select either 10 GB or 100 GB according to your facility in Google. So I will select 10 GB. So 10 GB is sufficient. And then you have to select save. So this option appears in setting, general, below this, maximum size of all files uploaded, 10 GB. Okay. So this is very important. This part is very important and this is required. So this answer is required. This answer is required. And then last section is submit answer sheet. So here you can give instruction. Once you submit, you cannot edit. So this is my Google form. I have not made the form. So just I have to write one question in this so that I will show the demonstration. Okay, so I will show the demonstration of this new created file. So here you have to write down your credentials, name, etc. Then click on next. What is your name? I will write the answer, Santosh. Then next. These are questions 2A, 2B, 2C. Next. These are questions 3A, 3B, 3C. Next. Now submit answer. I have to submit this and this is compulsory. So add file. So I will select one file. I will take one demo. For example, N747. This is my exam sheet number and my name is Santosh. So suppose I want to upload this file. So in Google Forms, select your file. And I will select this file, open and upload. See, I had made this in math. So there is one folder, automatically one folder is created. I have not created this math CBJS. The folder name is same as file name. In this, there will be another question, another folder, submit question 2 and question 3 answer. And in this folder, all answer sheets will be submitted automatically. So this is my math paper. I will submit the answer. So suppose I will submit the answer. Submit. So when I submit, so thanks for attending exam. Where to see the answer? So you can see the answer from here also. Responses. In responses, this is my question, and here you are getting PDF file. So you can go to view folder directly from here also. So in this folder, all students' answer sheets are uploaded automatically. Student will not get access of this folder, so they will not modify it. Access is only with examiner. So examiner can decide whether to give the access to other collaborator. He can share the folder if they want to share with exam section, or you have to take printout of individual response. So at that time you can open this and you can take the printout. So individually you are getting exam sheet number and name. So same, this is my folder. In this folder I had made a Google form. So one folder is automatically generated, which is the same as Google form name. In that there is one folder, submit question 2 and question 3 answer. So it is same as this question. जो आपने क्वेश्चंस बनाया था, सबमिट क्वेश्चन 2 एंड क्वेश्चन 3 आंसर, उस सब क्वेश्चन के नाम से एक फोल्डर तैयार होगा, एंड इन दैट फोल्डर all responses will be stored. So this is the answer. You have to check this manually and you have to then give the mark. If anyone has doubt, they can ask.
Santosh sir.
Yes, Santosh sir.
What will happen to
sir.
question number 1 now? Where will we get the marks of question 1?
Question number 1 marks will be received in your Excel file, download responses.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
And we can add question 2 and 3 marks there only? No.
In the download responses, after downloading the response, you can add your marks. You can modify this Excel file.
Okay.
You get question number 1 marks here.
Hello.
Santosh sir. Santosh sir. Hello. Sir, am I audible? Santosh sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I have a query. That is the questions you have added as title and description, no, sir? First.
Yes.
Okay. Then after that, in the next section, we have added it as a file upload and to submit, no?
Yeah, I will show the exact form. I had made 7 sections.
Sir, in the first step, when we enter the question itself, instead of adding it as title and description, can I directly make it as a file upload and there itself I can do it instead of making first the questions and then in the...
Students should know the questions. So first they will read the questions. They will decide which questions they have to solve, and then they will write. And after writing, they can upload.
Okay, directly I don't have to make it as file upload. So if I make it not required, that is the section 2, question 2, 3 questions are there. So for each question, if I make it as file upload and if I don't make it as required, like that, can I do it? I don't know, sir. I'm just asking you.
No. I am telling you that, ma'am. If you are making like this, for example, if you are asking the answer of individual question, then student, there will be 6 folders for each question.
Okay.
There will be 6 folders for each question. So it will be difficult for you to print the response of individual student.
Okay.
So you have to again collect it in single file and then you have to take printout. So that will be trouble for you.
Okay.
Sir, how will the students make the PDF?
Sir.
One PDF for all the answers?
They have to convert, they have to scan and they have to make one PDF file.
Okay.
Scan with the mobile?
Okay.
They can scan with the mobile and they can make one PDF file. It is like they are scanning their assignment and making one PDF file.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So students are familiar with scanning and converting it into PDF file.
Okay. Sir.
Santosh sir. Santosh sir. Sir. Suppose in the subject like
can be only PDF. Hello.
एक कोई तो एक पूछिए. हेलो.
संतोष सर.
सर बोला ना.
हे बघा, suppose in subject like ENS, there are images are there for circuit diagram. What should be the maximum size of file we should keep? 10 GB or 100 GB?
Sir, 10 GB is more than sufficient. 10 GB is more than sufficient. There will be not any issue. But if you want to change, you can make it up to 100 GB.
Okay.
If students are more, then it should be 100 GB. And for questions, there is no limitation. The limitation is only for answer sheet.
Yeah, sir. Actually, in electrical network, there are the images are there, na, sir?
So, no issue, sir, because they are taking just photo. They are taking just photo and then converting into PDF. So that size is very small.
It will take the more data, na?
Yes, sir. But suppose take example, we are taking journals or lab assignment number 1, 2. That file is less than 10 MB.
Okay. Yeah.
So answer should be more than less than 6 pages. So that answer should be size should be less than 10 MB.
ओके.
संतोष सर.
हा सर, अमित सर बोला.
सर मला फक्त हे समजायचं होतं की जसं आपण मिनिमम हे देतोय आपण 10 GB चं, ठीक
हा.
आहे. इफ देर इज अ रेग्युलर एक्झाम, okay,
हा.
so it will take more space and there is some limitation in the drive, no, that with one account there will be maximum, that will be the size through which you can access.
तो सर हम बच्चों को बोल सकते हैं कि आपका जो फाइल साइज है वो कम रखो.
No, sir, what I'm telling you, suppose if there is one examiner is having more than one exam, suppose,
हाँ.
and there may be a chance that they have many data has already been stored in their drive.
Yes, yes,
Exam
sir.
section is creating a drive, sir. Exam section is working on this. They will create one ID and one drive. That is what is discussed. I'll give further instructions on 23rd.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If exam section is providing drive, then no issue of our individual drive.
Because the individual drive, I will have to talk to madam, but they are working on this. They are working on this. They are creating a drive and they are creating a mail ID also. Some work is happening today.
In my Google form, I had made 7 sections. So I will just revise it. Your first section is student credential. That means student name, exam sheet number, contact number. Second section is just instructions. Second section is MCQ question. These are MCQ questions. Third section is just instruction that students are not familiar with this exam. So instruction is given that question number 2 and 3 is descriptive question. You have to write down answers on A4 paper. So all instructions you can give only in this section 3. There is no any question. These are only instructions. Then section number 4 is question 2. Section number 5 is question 3. Again, section number 6 is upload your answers only. Again, here you can give instructions. And section number 7 is please check whether you have filled properly and then submit it. So all instructions are given to students. So student will not get any point that you are not given instruction. या ऐसा नहीं था वैसा नहीं था. तो सब
Santosh sir.
हाँ मला बोला ना.
Sir, can you please share this demo wala Google form with all of us?
Okay,
section
okay.
wala so we will
Yes,
get an
sir.
idea.
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. We also will create a copy of this and will modify according to our requirement.
Okay.
So we are already developed this page then.
Sir,
I will-
one more question is there. Sir, Rameshwari ma'am. Sir, if in the question number 2 and 3, if images are there in the paper, then how to create a question for that in the Google form?
Okay.
In this case,
Okay,
we have
okay.
just added like a title, na? But if
Yes.
images
Nice
are,
question. So if there is image in your question, you have to select add question only. For example, question number 3 has image, so you cannot use this text. You cannot use this text. I will delete this and I will add question 3A. Question 3A.
okay.
Solve this question. And here I can add image. So if there is image, you have to add question. If there is no image, you can take text. So from image, you can take it.
Because many times in the signals and system and all, means many images, formulas are there, na? Questions.
Yes,
like,
yes. So you have to
so
use
that
question.
time using
There
snipping
is no
tool, directly
question.
we crop and create an image.
Yes. So if there is question, you can use question. If there is no, if there is image, you can use question. If there is no image, then you can use add title.
Add title. Okay. Otherwise, add question.
Yes.
Whatever we use.
Add
like,
question. Yes.
Okay.
And
Okay.
here, don't write any options.
Okay.
So you can select short answer also, but no answer should be there.
Okay. We can select short answer for that.
Short answer means there will be he will not ask you any option.
Okay.
So file upload there you can use it, na sir, directly. File upload, no.
बोला अगर फाइल अपलोड यहाँ पे करेंगे, you are getting 4 answers. Question number 2 answers, and question number 3 2 answers. Then you have to submit the response to exam section. So at that time,
Okay.
you have to convert that 4 answers, 4 different files into single file, and you have
Okay.
to submit it. So it will be better कि student वही
Okay.
करे, and student is getting more time, extra time for that scanning purpose and uploading.
Okay.
तो इंडिविजुअल हमें करने से अच्छा रहेगा कि बच्चा ही करेगा और वो अपलोड करेगा.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So how much extra time student is getting for scanning and uploading?
In instructions they had given, they told
Yeah.
differently student will get 20 minutes extra time for
15 minutes.
with prior permission.
All
maximum-
staff members read these instructions. I will send it once again, and all mentors need to follow. Means send this instruction to the, not now, because regular we will do later. Now let it be with subject teachers, because only 3 subject teachers and max is there. So subject teachers send this instruction to the student, but you have to inform them orally also that they have to 40 marks this paper and then 40 marks this, then total 80 marks. After completion of the paper, they have to take their mobile, they have to take photo, and then they have to upload. So 15-20 minutes are given for that. So it is now 2 hours paper, and it is going to take more time. Okay. And only thing is the work should not suffer, and everybody should cooperate with everyone, and students also to complete this work, because for students also it is tough, because they may lose connectivity and all those issues will be there. So they have to write and upload it in a single document. Not myself and Kamble sir, we are working on this from last 3 days. We made individual add files, then it is not working. Now we have made completely, this form is working very fine. No problem. All queries were discussed by myself and Kamble sir. So most of the queries were solved, and I don't think any more problem in this.
Shubha, one thing.
Yes,
If a
ma'am.
student says he has a problem, can he go to college and appear for the exam?
Rahul Jagtap
Should
has
we tell
asked
them?
me, but till now I have not yet got permission from college. Actually, then there has to be one
Supervisor
classroom, junior supervisor, senior supervisor.
क्लासरूम नहीं, सॉफ्टवेयर का ये मतलब फैसिलिटी लगेगा, कंप्यूटर फैसिलिटी लगेगा ना?
Because one
क्योंकि
lab
पहले
we
उन्होंने
have
कहा
to
था,
give
earlier
social
they had
distancing.
earlier they had told, in case you have a problem, then go to college.
That is told actually, but till now it is not implemented.
Okay.
Rahul Jagtap's case is very serious, so I am just asking madam.
Okay.
Wednesday we will finalize, madam.
Okay, fine, we'll do.
This is the question paper format. Question number 1 is 20 MCQ 2 marks. Question number 2 and question number 3 is either 5 marks or 10 marks. And in this note, fourth note is additional 15 minutes will be provided for scanning and uploading the answers of respective questions.
And junior supervisors will not leave this 15 minutes, okay? मेरा काम हो गया, मैं निकल रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. You have to be there till the subject teacher submit everything. It's not a work of one person. You know,
And-
dumping on others will make a lot of problems. Everybody will be there until the work is completed.
And most important
Hello, sir.
thing, our question paper is for 2 hours and extra 15 minutes are there. So you have to stop the response accepting after 2 hours and 15 minutes. So you cannot stop the responses after 2 hours. You have to stop the responses after 2 hours and 15 minutes.
Attendance response to be closed on, you know, whatever maybe the time. I think now it is 12:30 and 3:30. So 12:30 you are putting attendance by 12:10. By 12:30 attendance response you need to close. But for exam response you can close it after 2 hours 20 minutes.